Maintaining your diesel particulate filter, commonly known as a DPF, is crucial for the longevity and efficiency of diesel engines. The DPF plays a vital role by capturing and storing exhaust soot to reduce emissions. However, if not properly attended to, it can become clogged and affect performance. In this video, we'll explore some sound advice on how to keep your DPF clean and functional. Firstly, understanding how your DPF works is key. The filter traps soot particles, and when the engine reaches a high enough temperature, these particles are burned off in a process called regeneration. This keeps the filter clear and maintains engine performance. But what can you do to facilitate this process? A fundamental piece of advice is to allow your engine to heat up properly. Short, infrequent trips at low speeds can hinder the regeneration process, as the engine never reaches the necessary temperature to burn off soot. So, if you predominantly drive short distances, try to incorporate a longer journey at higher speeds into your routine every few weeks. This allows the engine to heat sufficiently, promoting efficient DPF regeneration. Next, consider the type of fuel and oil you use. High-quality, low-sulfur diesel is less likely to generate excessive soot, promoting a cleaner DPF. Likewise, using manufacturer-approved engine oil can minimize ash buildup, which is another common cause of filter blockages. It's important to stick to recommended oil change intervals, ensuring that the oil and the filter remain effective in their roles. Monitoring your driving habits is another crucial aspect. Avoid excessive idling and aggressive acceleration, both of which can increase soot production. Adopting smoother driving techniques not only improves fuel economy, but also reduces the strain on your DPF, allowing it to perform optimally over time. Moreover, it's beneficial to pay attention to warning lights on your dashboard. Many modern vehicles come with DPF warning indicators. If you see this light, do not ignore it. It may indicate that the DPF is becoming clogged. At this point, a longer drive at a steady highway speed can often resolve the issue by initiating a regeneration cycle. Furthermore, if your vehicle is equipped with active regeneration, you may occasionally notice changes in engine sound or higher fuel consumption. This is normal and indicates that the filter is self-cleaning. Allow this process to complete by maintaining your drive until it's done, to ensure that the DPF remains in good condition. Finally, regular servicing is essential. Have your DPF checked by professionals as part of your routine vehicle maintenance. They can conduct thorough inspections and, if necessary, perform a manual regeneration or clean the filter using specialized equipment. In summary, keeping your diesel particulate filter clean involves a combination of proper understanding, suitable driving habits, and regular maintenance. By taking these steps, you not only enhance the efficiency of your engine, but also contribute to a reduction in harmful emissions, helping the environment. Remember, a clean DPF leads to a cleaner performance, ensuring your diesel engine runs smoothly for years to come. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.